Good afternoon, everybody. Yes, just let's do it midday. Um, let's see what's going on. So we are going lower. It's all about 44.48 right now. 43.50 SPX. That's a mental level. If we go lower, we're looking at 43.2608. So I tell you the levels to watch. 34.48.78. If you pass that one, 43.34.75, 43.26. And if market goes very crazy, maybe 4300 comes. Let's see what's going on. So NQ is very bearish. I'm gonna show you on QQ. Let me show you actually SPY first. So SPY, if there's any symbol, let me know in the comment fast. This is gonna be a short video. For now, 433.46 is reached and is holding there. If it can hold it, next level is 432.54. That's a major level. If we do break 432.4.54, and then next major level is 428.62, 431, 429, 428.62. Right now this level is holding up, and some again deep buyers coming in and some people locking gains. We'll go to Tesla too. QQQ is under 359.97. It is a major level, but most likely 355.3 super major level. It will come maybe today, maybe tomorrow. There's a high chance to come tomorrow. 355.3 on QQQ. Any symbol again, let me know. Apple is holding the market up. So Apple is a safety, a heaven, a stock, parking money. As soon as it opened, it jumped up, and it's been defending lows of 170 for a long time, for even last few weeks. So it jumped up, but it failed to go above 175.82. Once it passed that one, it can run up, but for now it's just gonna be a yo-yo game there between these levels: 174.08, 174.95, 175.82. If you see 15 and 30 MACD dead cross on Apple, and Apple breaks 174.95 and goes lower, then market can have a bigger flush down. Microsoft and Apple are the key right now. If they go lower, market can dump bigger. Amazon, we're looking at 129.6 and 128.72. That's the next major level. If it does break 128.72, next levels are 126, 125, 124.09. Pay attention that weekly is dead crossing, daily is downward, everything is bearish. A lot of names on 4-hour, daily, and weekly are very bearish. Be very cautious playing bounce up. Be very cautious playing touching calls, because the trend is down. Algos are favoring puts over calls, and any bounce up can fade and be very temporary. It's very short term. Nvidia is very ugly on the 4-hour, daily, and weekly. Until you don't see a yellow bar, just don't touch calls there. Yes, it jumped up as I predicted in the pre-market. It jumped up to 417, but it's pulled back. It's all about breaking the lows of pre-market, which is 411.5, 412.2, 410.66. Break that one, we're looking at 408, and then lower level, next major level is 405, 401.96. Yes, we got some yellow bar on the 1 hour, but until it's not golden cross, trend is down there. Baba, nothing exciting. Bidu, let me see here. All right. Bidu 127.83. That's the key. Netflix was very interesting. I jumped that morning, but then again, as I mentioned, a lot of names are downward on weekly and daily, and any bounce up can be short term and temporary. Even Netflix, the 4 hours golden cross and is upward, is not dead cross. This jump up was short term. So imagine other names that the 4 hours is super downward, how much short term and temporary can be their jump up. Again, 384 is defending right now, but if market goes for a run up, Netflix is coming into the category of strong names, because if the strike finish, it can help it. But be cautious, they kill premiums very fast on this name. Meta daily MACD finally is dead crossing, so that's a bad signal for Meta. It's in the category of the names that it's still holding up, still holding near 300, and right now during the market, 1530 was upward and is hovering around 295.76. If it breaks it and you see 1530 MACD dead crosses, 292.65 is the key level to watch. This one, because of the daily MACD's dead cross, trend is down. eventually next week, anytime, there is a possibility that if it does break 292.65, it can run down to 288, 284, and 282.3 major level. Tesla daily MACD is on the edge to have a dead cross, and weekly stochastic fast is already dead cross. Weekly was golden cross, right now is dead crossing, is just in the edge point. So it's just yo-yo for now today between 256 and 260 levels, going up and down. Once it breaks 254, then it can go for rundown. But I personally still believe in Tesla will have a monster run up. The higher the energy stocks and oil goes, and the closer we get to the October numbers release, sales that they're gonna release this quarter sales report, I believe this will have a monster run up. But for now, premiums are getting killed very big, and be cautious about it. Next major level is 250, 255. If it can hold it, we're looking at 248.56, 246.1. Direction on 4 hours is very down. Daily is on the edge to dead cross. If that happens, 246 maybe comes. Microsoft, I was a very beautiful jump up. It's actually interesting here. It gave a nice hammer candle, and then the news came in and boom, jumped up. It got close to 326, but it's pulled back. It's all about 320.94. If Microsoft goes below 320.94, then market can have another dump. But for now, is holding up. If it goes below 320.94, we're looking at 318, 316, and 314.47. Again, as I mentioned, every jump up, every rip up is temporary and short term. And as you can see here, Microsoft is another example, same like Netflix. 4 hour, we got a yellow bar, is showing some sign of bullishness, but need to pass 326.17 to get interesting. Google is on the rundown too, very bearish on the 4 hour daily, and weekly is still not dead cross. Once that happens, it's going to be in bigger trouble. 130.04 is a key level to watch. Past that one, 127.16 is the next major level. Below that, it can run down to lows of 120. AMD is on the cliff, it's falling. 196.26 is a key level to watch. If it goes below that one, we're looking at 95, 94.25 is the next major level. Very, very bearish on the 4 hour daily and weekly. Boeing did some nice jump up, but then again faded. So but this one, I better avoid Boeing for now. AVGO was a nice jump up too at open, was hoping for actually jumping up right now. So AVGO, I was hoping for a go rundown, but right now I'm not sure if any news is coming in or not. This one is jumping, and 1 hour is golden crossing. 4 hour we got a yellow bar, so deep buyers are stepping in this. For 818 right now is jumping up, so 818.96, if it passes, we're looking at 830, 844.89. And what else you got here? INTC got some news, a little bit jump up, but nothing exciting. UNH is running up there, and 506.17 is the next target there. MDB is on a rundown too. 331.65 is the next level. If it goes below that, we're looking at lows of 300. Snow had a big downfall too. 147.88 is a major level. So far is defending it for now, but very bearish. So 147.88, if it passes, we're looking at 144, 141, 139. What else you got here? CRWD was a jumping up in the morning, but then it pulled back very hard right now. 158.1, if it can hold it. 156, 153.9 is the next major level. Google, I did it. Tesla, I think is gonna have a run up for the October release numbers. Boeing, I went over it. This one is just there's nothing exciting about it. It tried to run up in the morning, jump up, but again it faded, and still daily and weekly is still very bearish. Once wait for the yellow bar on the daily, then it can get interesting. It's oversold on the daily. Once some news or something comes up, this one is gonna have a monster big up. Yeah, AVGO is jumping up right now. So 818.96, if it passes, we're looking for a bigger jump there. I'm not sure what news came in. Google says it sees no change. Oh wow, no change in Broadcom chip relationship. Okay, so this one is gonna run up 830, 844. Yeah, that's it. And gold, last one for this live video. GLD gold decrease downward. It's a huge gap down, and I'm not a gold expert to be honest. I'm mostly focused on text, but 4 hours downward daily is curved down. So this one I'm not sure where it's going. To be honest, it's just mixed signal. Not sure. Anyway, thank you so much for tuning in. Market right now is holding up. 433 and 46 is all about SPX 4350. 4350 mental level. If it passes that one, 4326 can come. It's everything is a lot bearish, and again, every run up and rip up can be temporary unless we see daily MACDs showing yellow bar. Until then, be ready for more bloodbath. Thank you, and thanks for tuning in.